Hi, and welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In today's video, we are going to talk about on how you can clear cache on Slack. Maybe your Slack has been lagging and you want to clear cache on Slack but you don't know how. So in today's video, I am going to show you on how you can clear your cache on Slack. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First you need to do is to open your Slack application and log in with your Slack account. After that, you will see here the U button at the lower right corner of your screen. Simply tap on it. From here, you will see the preferences. Tap on these preferences and then you have to scroll down and then you will see in here under your troubleshooting your reset cache. Tap on this reset cache. It will clear cache images, files, and data. Once you tap on it, there will be a prompt that are you sure would you like to reset the cache? Simply tap on this yes button. And as you can see, your Slack has been reset. There you go. If you wanted to know on how you can reset cache on Slack, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way on how you can reset cache on Slack, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.